morning of day 6. We're leaving in a couple of hours, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to wake Simon up because he's been waking me up all week, and I think he deserves some payback, don't you? Let's do this. Okay, so the stick is meditating, if I'm not mistaken. Simon's asleep. Simon. Yep. He's definitely asleep. Here we go. Oh, yeah! I got you! I got you back!
Oh, come away!
I got you! 1-0, and the stick remains throughout. Sorry,
You're
Simon.
dead. You're dead. Okay, welcome to day 6, the final day. Unfortunately, we've already packed and got to go home. I'm nice and awake after the way Matt woke me up this morning. Cheers, mate. I will get you back next year.
Yeah, no problem.
Right, we sat over breakfast. Quick view of the dining room. Been a lovely spread this morning, but we're just sort of in a reflective mood and just go over what we've experienced this week. So, Matt, what have you experienced and felt this week's gone like?
Well, I really think they got him moving a lot in me with I guess some healing in a way, some like emotional healing, and also that I guess that he's been really inspiring me in my music as well. You know, I've been able to write again and just been able to really express myself through my music. Leading worship was obviously a highlight as well. I really enjoyed that.
Awesome. So is there anything you can really grab hold of and say, yeah, I'm going to take that home and use that in the big wide world?
Being able to do 6 key changes in the song and it not matter.
That's good.
So, Simon, how did you feel this week went?
Oh, wow, it's absolutely amazing. I was really challenged on the first night and the second day. God really did let me get to a place where it was tough. Some of you guys watching, I'll probably shared with you over the phone, but yeah, it was tough to go through what I was going through, and by the time we got to the third day, I was bouncing back, and by the end of the third day, I was back flying again. I've been flying ever since. I mean, God's done amazing stuff. I'm not sure entirely what He was doing early in the week, but I'm feeling a lot better for it now, much more empowered, much more invigorated. So it's been a really, really good week, and it's also actually been the biggest challenge was it's the first time I've been away from comfort zones. Like every time I've been out to a Christian event, it's been with people from my home church. And although I know Matt very well and the Stig, it's been a real challenge just to relax and just be with God by myself. But it's one thing that I've really learned to do well this week, and that's been an amazing week.
Awesome. Stick. So, Simon, what one thing have you learned this week that you're going to take home to your home church?
I'm going to take it home to my home church. Well, I'm not going to take it to my home church, but I'm going to take my dirty washing, and that's one thing I'm going to be taking.
Fair shout.
Yeah, humour on the last day, crumbs. I think one thing that I've really learned is just to really have me time with God. I went for a walk yesterday. It was going to be just a quick walk down to town. I was out for 4 hours in the end, just walking, just being in the presence of God, and I'm going to learn to do that more and more because I was at such peace last night. It's something I need to put in my everyday life. It's something that needs to be done daily, and I do recommend it. If you get the chance, if you're watching this and you get the chance, I do really, really recommend just having me time with God. As they said in the Learn Zone, have silent prayer time, which is where you're just sat in God's presence. Really, really valuable. That's one thing I'm really going to take from here, and I recommend you guys to do it as well.
Amen. Amen.
Right.
Amen.
Well, that's it. That's the end of Spring Harvest 2013.
We may check in with you on the road.
Yes. Stig. Hope. I hope you enjoy our video diaries, and hopefully it'll inspire you to come down next year. I mean, I'm looking at organising maybe a small trip or maybe a big trip. If you're interested, tweet, email, Facebook, just get in touch. And it's an amazing week down here, and just want everyone to share it.
But no poking on Facebook. We don't like that. That's a bit too much, okay? That's the boundary.
Poking with nails hurts. Thanks.